Okay, we're at the Waldorf Astoria here in New York, right on Park Avenue. This is after the remodel. They opened in July, and it is October right now. So there's a front door. We did get upgraded to a junior suite because of status. Get the status, links below, just having a credit card. Here's the front door. And the keys here are small little square ones. Kind of cool. Kind of cool. And you can turn everything off right there. Got mirror, front closet, just extra blanket and pillow. You have a little entryway. We'll go in the hallway closet here. This is the drink area. Keurig machine. Got some water, tea kettle, cups, drawers. Okay, all the snacks and teas and coffee. This is a fridge drawer with all the drinks there. Close that down. Go in the hallway. Got another closet. Closets all over this place. Okay, you got the robes, the umbrella, steam iron. And an iron, luggage rack, slippers, robes. And we got here early, and then we went to a tour. We dropped our luggage off, and they dropped it off in our room. And they put the bags up there at the luggage area, and our backpacks on the desk. So it's kind of nice. Double sink. And basic stuff in there. Toilet room, the button flush there. Kind of come back to show you everything there. And the shower room. Here. Got the tub there. Then it's like an open shower right here. And what I saw was all the lights controlled right there. So then you come in here. Got the bed, nightstands. We're on the 9th floor. Big desk right here. Chair, sitting area. And we got status. They gave us a little thank you card and the chocolate bar. It's actually a chocolate bar. It's one of the fanciest chocolate bars I've ever seen, how it's molded. Like that there. We'll see if the view here, if we can see anything. Where's the... I don't even know how to raise this up. I'm going to have to figure that out. I'll start in a second. All right, figured it out. There's no manual way of doing it. In the opposite wall, you got power. Shears, what those are, and drapes are there. I'll show you. Just hold it in. Show you. Just hit it once. It'll open up. If you hit it right now, it'll stop. Hit it again, it'll close. So you can pick your level. We got an interior room. It's like an open to the middle area, and I'll show it to you. And go to the drapes. Here it closes. See if I stop, it'll stop. Hit it again, it'll open. And you can kind of see down here to the little area. It doesn't go all the way down 9 floors. It's like a little, I don't know, green area, play area. So, kind of see out right there, kind of right there. Let me see this side over here. Kind of peek out a little bit, but there you can kind of see out a little bit right there. But that's it. I'll pan real slow here. Check the rest out a little bit. All right, final review of the Waldorf Astoria here in New York City, Park Avenue. Front door, everything was good. A couple nice things. Blanket down there. I can honestly say, let me show it to you here. For a hotel blanket, for a second blanket, this is probably the heaviest one I've ever seen. Very heavy, very warm. But the espresso machine here is great. There are lots of different tea flavors. Front table. Desk was really nice to work on, really, really comfortable. Nice sitting area over here. One thing we both noticed in here, when you're inside the room, at no time did this feel like a hotel. It was quiet, no issues. It did not feel like a hotel room. It felt like you're in an apartment the whole time we were here. It's a very weird feeling. Once you get out and you get in the hallway, it starts to feel like more of a hotel. But in the room, it totally feels like an apartment instead of a hotel. A TV, I did not even hook up the Roku right here because it's a smart TV. You turn it on, all the apps are there, and any app you ever want, you could grab. So absolutely no reason to install the Roku. I'd even check if you could because there is no reason to install it. Bed's really comfortable. Pillows are a little softer than I like. That's personal. That's me. Everything seemed great. This was really nice having a huge area here for 2 bags. Everything like that. Makeup area here. One nice thing is, let me go back. This closes here. When you do one side, the other side closes, which is kind of nice. But there's a pocket door here that closes. I'll just do it partial way. You can see that right there closes off. So this can totally section off to a new section. Where that came in handy was just a weird issue happened in the tub where I couldn't get it to close. And the thing inside was broke a little bit, so I called service, and they came up real quick. He knew exactly what was wrong. Just the little thing in the back was undone. I just couldn't figure it out. I guess smarter than the drain, and I wasn't. But Joni was in here laying down. So I could close this. He could come in here, get it, and go back, and it was fine. This morning we had room service. Joni was in here getting ready. I had this closed and that closed, so kept her separate from everything there. So that was really nice. Everything in the sinks were really good. No issues. Here is the trash. Kind of unique. Tub was really nice. Lots of room. A couple baths were taken in here. Rain shower was pretty nice. Easy to operate. Everything in here. Everything was real good. Business room in here. Everything was good. The flushed probably the strongest flush you'll ever hear. It's not that loud, but it's one of the strongest flushes you'll ever have. So no worries there about stuff flushing. So, but yeah, other than that, everything was really good in the room here. Got really 0 complaints here. 0, 0, 0. Very, very quiet. Almost too quiet. Me and my wife way overslept yesterday morning by like 5 hours. It was that quiet. Yeah. So that's a whole nother story, but yeah, but it was pretty fun, pretty good. And with the exception of the weight room, getting in and out of the weight room is kind of confusing. If that video is there, I hope it turned out good because I totally got lost. Ended up in a surface elevator. So if you saw that, yeah, have a good laugh on me. But that's it. Everybody have a good day. Thanks for watching. Bye.